Sweetapolita Miami for my yellow ones. And the yellow ones are scented with rainbow sherbet. So we've got the pinks and the greens and the yellows. So that'll be for the yellow ones, the pink rainbow sherbet. And the purple ones are pink aquilina. So we are going to actually go a little more bold with the color. We're going to use some of these. Not the big pieces, but the small ones. So I'm just going to pull out some of the big ones. The small ones in there. Pull out the big, some of the really big chunkies. I'll save those for my cupcakes. So we got medium-sized balls and small balls in there. That is coral reef. I have another project for that. We'll be doing shells and stuff. And I'm also going to mix a few more small pastels into this one if I can get this open. I can have a sprinkle addiction right now. It's so much fun. Oh my gosh, guys. There are so many pretty sprinkles out there. Look at these. Look at these pretty sprinkles. And some of them I can even get at the dollar store. I got this at the dollar store. I do shop at the dollar store. Sorry, guys, but I'm just trying to economize a little bit. And because the purple has purple in it, we're going to put a little bit of this sprinkle in there as well, because it's got purple. So we want a little more purple in there for this. Now I've got some purple star confetti. Boy, I'm just turning this whole sprinkle into a different thing altogether. And alright, so I did my own blend, but the base of it is Coral Reef by Sweetapolita. I'm not going to do anything to this one. I'm going to leave it as it is. This one is called Miami, and I think that one's perfect. Well, I don't know. I just don't want to use them all in one go, right? Whatever I don't use, of course, will go back into the jar because I'm not even using these for eating. They're specifically for this, and these are too big. I know they're not going to stick. Well, maybe they will. They will. We'll see. We'll leave a few big ones in there to see if they'll stick. Now this one, I just want to add a little sparkle to. So we're going to give that rock sugar a little sparkle. Alrighty. And we'll coat it now. That way it'll stick to the rock salt too. A little bit of pink rock salt in there. Alright, so we got 3 different kinds. Now melt and pour will work. I've done melt and pour in the past for drizzles. It's kind of pretty. Oh, okay. I'm going to try this one. In the melt and pour, I got much better results. Alright, so that's a tester. I'll try again. Very good. Alright, so these are my testers that I will be doing in my bathtub, the imperfects. And we will start in on my little perfect ones. Alright, so I've got honey melt and pour, and I've got white. Alright, let's start with the purple ones. Oops. Now your melt and pour is gonna harden up on you, so you'll have to do it several times. But I thought my sticks are a little bit loose, so I thought I'd do that first. So I'm going to get my sticks in there nice and tight. That one's fine. That one's fine. just had a few. Oh, there's a loose one. Just like that. That one's a little loose. Right back in the hole it goes. Now I made these ones with foaming bath whip instead of the Orvis paste. Seems to work really well. So I'll be right back and we will start dipping and setting them on their own little trays. It looks like those are even oh, maybe. We'll see. We might need to put some more little sprinkles in there. Okay, I put honey in with the goat milk in this one. And I'm going to enrich them both with a little bit of cocoa butter, just to make them both a little richer. And these are both just melt and pour mixes. And I've just got a few. So the first ones we're going to do are the natural ones. We're going to do the pink ones in the natural. So I'm going to do it once. And twice. And I'm going to roll it in the sparkles. Alright. There we go. I'm going to go set this to dry. You see that? Very pretty. Let's do another one. We'll dip it once. Now, if you get these cool, it might even help. Those on the bottom. Twice. Just a few of those on there. I'll stick a few on there too. I want it even all the way around. Okay. Two more to go in this. This one needs a little more reinforcing. Base. Let's see if I can get these big ones to stick. Oh! Well, I think that one's gonna be interesting. I'm not even sure where the hole is for that one. That one's gonna be a tester, guys. So, alright, where's the hole? Is that the hole? No. Okay, we're going to do it on the side from now. I don't even know where the hole is. There, maybe? I don't know. That's going to be a tester. We'll see if that's reusable or no. And we're going to go a little sideways, I think. It doesn't actually go in all the way. They're so big, I think I can stick them to it where we want them to. Alright, that's pretty. And that's it for that one. Now let's see how the white one goes. Alright, so these are the sprinkles for the purple bombs. Purple Okay, so Sweetapolita wins. That's just perfect. There we go. Easy peasy. That. I'm just going to need a few more in there. You don't want the big chunky ones. We'll save those for cupcakes and bath bombs. The big pearls. Those medium ones did okay though. And I want a few more smaller pieces, so we're going to add, like I said before, a little more of that. We need that sparkle. Sweetapolita! Oh my goodness. I think they look good on bath bombs. You should see them on cupcakes. Yum, yum. Do have to work quick. Wasn't as quick on that one. My bath bomb mix got a little bit cold. So we'll give it another little drizzle. And a quick hit. And that did it. A little bit on this side too. Move quickly. There you go. Alright. And this is starting to get a skin on it also, which is causing me some problems. Sweetapolita is the best. Look at that. Those are just gorgeous. So let's do another Sweetapolita and the yellow bombs. That aside, I'm going to have to warm this up again. So I'm just going to get the sticks, make sure the sticks are in tight. Thought I'd already done this, but we'll do it again. See, your sticks can come undone, but it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and then you're fine again, okay? So if your sticks come loose at any time, you can always just repair them with a little melt and pour soap. And I like to get it thicker rather than thinner, and then just seal up that hole. Alright, so I'm just going to melt this again so we can get the last sprinkles, and this one's called Miami, on my yellow rainbow bombs. Hold on. Now we're talking 10, maybe 15 seconds to get this. Now it's pretty hot now, so I'm going to do a double dip. Sweetapolita! Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Put some more in there. Smallers. Put a few stars in there. More little stars. Now we got 2 to go. So cute. Look how pretty that is. That one's a little too chunky, I think. I don't know if those will even stick. Yeah, a few of them are. We're going to have to do a little bit of sticking on ourselves. Let's take some of those big ones out. Maybe I'll stick them on specifically. So pretty, look at that. Just easy peasy. Now I made the mistake of putting it inside to get the dip. We're gonna so there we go, Sweetapolita dipped. Reusable bubble pops. And this is just another simple way to decorate them. Any of the cake pops, if you're doing the pop style wand, any of those designs, you can get inspired by. All right, we'll see you guys next time.